What makes land valuable for data centers? So there's 5 critical factors that I would say, and there's more than just this, but these are like the main ones that we go through when we're evaluating a site. And once again, everybody's site criteria is different. This is mostly, because we spend most of our time in the hyperscale side of things, which is the big campuses, the big announcements that you see all the time on the news. This could change for smaller scale data centers for sure. Okay, so I'm talking like AI data center campuses or mega data center campuses. Inside the industry, they call them hyperscale. There's pretty much 5 critical factors. One is the actual size and expandability of the land itself. So number 1 is the size and expandability. These hyperscale campuses are massive. If you look at the one down in Louisiana that Meta's doing, it's the size of Manhattan, all right? And the reason they want the size here and they want the acreage is because they need to be able to expand that facility if they need to. And the reason that's so important is because we don't know what AI is gonna, we don't know how it's gonna develop and what's gonna happen, but we do know that we do not want to constrain. And there's obviously different rules and different beliefs around that, but when it comes down to if it's a product, you do not want the infrastructure to be a bottleneck. And if you're going to build in one area, you're going to spend all this money, all this capex to build a data center, you also want to make sure that it has the future expandability that is going to be required potentially in the future. That size and expandability is huge, because if you can't expand outside a certain footprint, that particular site's not going to be used, or it doesn't make sense for an investment in a scalable capex. So it really makes more sense to have that expandability on, especially in these AI data centers. So that's another reason why the size and expandability is very important.